Hi, welcome to the galley. Today I'm making some roasted chili lime peanuts because I'm making a coconut curry butternut squash soup, and I want these for a garnish on top. But honestly, they're just great just to have in a bowl to snack on. They're delicious. Now I do buy my peanuts in bulk because it's mainly for making peanut butter, but you do want to start with an unsalted natural peanut. And for this recipe, we're going to go with 2 cups. Now get your oven on 300 degrees. We want to do this slow. Toast these nice and slow and let them really absorb all of these flavors. But we're going to do the zest and the juice from one lime. And now I like to do a little toss after each addition and just keep my peanuts getting well covered in all of this goodness that we're adding in here. 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm using my avocado oil here, but you could also do your extra virgin or you could do a coconut oil. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of sugar because we want to balance that heat, that spice. We want a nice balance here. So we've got acid from our lime. We're going to have a little sugar for their sweetener. And then, of course, we're going to have the chili pepper. And then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of sea salt. And then I'm going to do a teaspoon of chili powder. And, of course, you can use an ancho chili powder, any kind of chili powder that is your favorite. And then we're going to add a cayenne. Now, in the recipe, I have a half a teaspoon of cayenne, but if you always can go down on this so that it's not too spicy for you. And now we're just going to spread these out on our cookie sheet here on some parchment paper. 300 degree oven, 30 to 40 minutes till they're nice and toasted and dry. So spread them out until they all have kind of their own personal space on the pan and not crowded on top of each other. So we're 15 minutes in. I want to give them a nice stir, and you can see they're starting to dry out, which is what we want. So back into the oven and check them in another 15 minutes. So I've got my peanuts out of the oven. I like them when they're warm. They're so good. So I'm going to set these aside, let them cool, and these are going to make such a great addition to this soup. Such a great component to top it with. But that's just how easy it is to make some chili lime peanuts. 30 minutes in the oven, a couple ingredients, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you later.